Built in just 2 weeks by G-Force Race Solutions as an Aussie tribute to US spec street Supras, this Toyota shows just how strong a 2JZ engine can be in mild form. The 6-cylinder has been freshened up using ARP rod bolts and head studs, but the factory conrods and pistons still remain, while up top, the ported cylinder head features Brian Crowett valve train components. Originally fitted with a 6466 turbocharger, a larger precision 6870 unit is now in place, along with a host of Australian products such as a Turbosmart Wastegate, 6-boost manifold, CPC carbon inlet plenum, Plazmaman intercooler, and a Haltech ECU.